So are buying new windows a good investment? Let's answer that question today. Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy. I'm the window expert, and I want to ask the question, should I buy new windows? Yes or no? That's the first question. The second question is, am I going to recoup that money? Is it worth doing it? And so I want to just kind of hit on a couple of things for you to consider, because we all know that we buy with our gut, right? But then we explain it to ourselves with our head. The other day I was looking at something and I'm kind of a little embarrassed to admit it, but I was looking at these Hermes shoes and they're really cool looking. And I don't know if I even want to put a picture of them on here or not, because I paid a lot of money for them. But you know what? I wore those things to work and I had 3 or 4 people that same day say, dude, I like those new kicks, and I was like, oh yeah. I don't know, maybe good pat on the back. I felt good about how I looked that day. And I don't know, maybe I made some better decisions because of that. Was it absolutely the best return on my investment? Probably not. Because I could have gone to Payless and I could have bought a $15 pair of shoes and I could have worn them to work. Now granted, these are nice and they have great quality leather and maybe they'll last longer. But every time we buy something, right, there's this like gut instinct. Like I buy with my gut, I buy it with how I feel. But we like to also justify the reasons that we do things. So I want to give you a few things that might help you feel better about spending money on your windows. So recently I was reading this great article, the 2025 edition of the Journal of Light Construction did a cost versus value study, and they do this every year, and I'll put a link down below, you can go check it out. You can actually look year by year by year. And guess what was a #1 return on investment for your home improvement? Garage doors. A beautiful garage door, okay, is going to bring about a 268% return on investment. Now my Hermes shoes aren't going to do that for me, okay? Maybe my Kelly bag would, but not my Hermes shoes. But it's a great return on investment. Why? Because it's usually the biggest door in your house. And it usually faces the street and it's usually ugly. And so when you think about selling your house, somebody pulls up to your house. If they looked at other houses and you have a beautiful garage door, people are like, I like this house. There's a chance you're going to actually get more money for your house because it's a house that's in demand that people want. At #2 on the list was an entry replacement door. Entry door, 216% return on investment. Think about this. That is like if your house is the soul of who you are, the windows in the door are like the eyes to the soul of who you are. And so having a beautiful front door, right, especially one that makes a statement, actually makes you feel better, makes your house look better, brings up the resale value of your home. Now, when it comes to new windows for your house, the study says that vinyl windows actually have a 76% return on investment. So let's do some quick math with that. I'm going to use easy numbers. If you had a $10,000 window project and you stayed in your house for 5 years, that means that you got $7,600 of your $10,000 back. Now, what did you get for that, $2,400 that you spent? Well, first of all, you got to enjoy new windows in your house, which means your house was quieter, which means you slept better and you weren't so darn grumpy every morning. #2, you saved some money on your light bill. In fact, it shows that most companies are showing that 30%, more or less, savings on energy bill is actually pretty normal. If you actually had new windows and your air conditioner didn't run as hard or nearly as long, now your air conditioner might live a third longer life, which means you're not going to spend money on an air conditioner as soon as you thought. So you can justify, it does make sense on paper why windows for your home, doors for your home, garage door for your home is actually a good investment. Now, one of the things that you'll read on this article, if you go look at it, is some things didn't bring a very good investment return. We talk a lot about how having a new kitchen or a new master bath brings a return. It does, but what they show in this study is that if you overspend on those things, if you just go nuts, bananas on those things, you may not recoup that money at all. I don't believe in spending too little on windows, and I also don't believe in spending too much on windows. Find that Goldilocks window and you're going to be happy. And by the way, Finding a great window company is easier than ever. I started a website called jeffslist.com because people ask me all the time, Jeff, do you know anybody in my area? So I know some great window companies all over the country. I might know someone near you. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with someone who's thinking about upgrading their home.